All right, so we're working in the shop today, and we are working on a tough truck. In other words, this is a 2016 Toyota Tundra, which is the V8 model. It is not to be confused with the smaller sibling, which is the Tacoma. This is the Tundra. And this one has a bunch of new modifications. Customer of mine went all out, and I want to run through them a little bit. So I'm not really into tough trucks. I'm into microcars, but this is all new and it impresses me, and I want to just kind of run through a few things. This is a new bumper. I guess ARB has just started producing bumpers for the Tundra. Pretty cool. It's got a winch. It's got the LED lights. It's got they reused the fog lights that were in the original plastic bumper, and then LED turn signals, and of course your regular headlights with a kind of a bull bar surround. Really pretty nice, and it's really nice to touch. It's brand new. It's kind of a velvety truck bed liner, but not real aggressive. It's real nice. It seems like it's aluminum, but it could be steel. I'm not exactly positive. And we're going to get underneath and check out some stuff too, but I want to show you just a few things. One is we've got this real aggressive looking front. Let's see if I can back up here. And on this thing, again, it's a 2016. So we reused the fog lights, which were in the bumper down here below when they had a plastic bumper. And then these are new LED turn signals. These are super high output Vision X, I guess is what that is, LEDs. And then we've got an X20 winch here. And the way we get to that is we would lift up the license plate, and underneath there is your clasp and your hook for your winch. Pretty neat setup. It's all wired in. The bumper not only has an aggressive front with a nice grille here, but for skid plate protection and other things. We'll go underneath there and turn my light on here. Get my creeper out so we can go under. It's really nicely done. So this is part of the bracketry, which has the accordion ribs there for crash protection. That would be your crumple zone. Has a really nice vented skid plate to let more air into the lower part of the radiator. Nice hardware. This is a complete new subframe, which has all new hardware, and you can see these extensions here. Oh, my light is sort of in the shadow. How can I do this? These extensions, which looks like about a 4-inch lift, and then we've got the stock TRD remote reservoir shocks. This I'm not sure about. The tie rod end is really close. I mean, like, I can't get my finger in there to the spring, and I'm sure the springs have been upgraded as well. New arm here, so new spindles. Lots of thought went into that. Let's go around the back here. Oh, I want to show you these tires. I like these red outline tires with a red I guess letter tires with the white outline. Pretty cool. And then we've got some nice new fancy wheels, and then we've got rock sliders along the side here for both the back door willing victims and for the front with a step, which is really nice. And it's all made out of that nice soft, pretty sure it's aluminum, but it could be steel. I think it's aluminum. So let's go underneath. Get another look at this lift kit here. So again, the subframe here, that part right there, that's all new bolts, new hardware. You can see the extensions there, 4-inch. Pretty cool. Relocated everything in the proper geometry for steering. And then the back just simply blocks, I believe. Let's go back there and look. We're just going to roll right along the back here. This truck is the TRD Pro, so it has a dual exhaust. You can see it's got double mufflers there. Actually has straight dual exhaust all the way from the headers. And that's an option. TRD has a special tailpipe tip and dual exhaust option. So the back got a sway bar. Maybe that came with a TRD. Yeah, it did. The blocks, those lift blocks there, those are new. And the U-bolts. So I guess the stock TRD shocks will work in this application, being stretched a little bit. Those in the rear, again, are Bilsteins. They're remote reservoir. The rear has disc brakes. Pretty tough truck. Really, really awesome. And of course, we got new tires all the way around. Let's take a look. The next thing is the bumper. He did some damage to the bumper. They're making, I guess, a new bumper for him is what he said. But I like the way these tires look. Not for everybody with the red letters with the white outline, but the truck looks pretty tough. Let's see if I can get a good look at the front. Looks like a zombie Armageddon machine. Really pretty cool. Take a good look at that. Tough truck. Lots of approach angle. I mean, there's a good 2 or 3 feet there. Nothing in front of the front tire to get in your way. You can tromp, stomp, romp, do whatever you want. So I'm going to get to servicing this thing, and thanks for checking out my videos and this new tough truck bumper that just, I guess, is available. Wanted to keep you guys all informed. All right, hop into your zombie apocalypse machine and get ready for action. Thanks for watching.